Well, hello, Caniacs. I'm here with Eric, Staal, and Mike Commodore. You guys have been nice enough to join me for an afternoon at the fair. Thank you very much for taking the time, guys.
No problem.
As we start here at the deep sea exhibit, so why don't we go nestle in deep at one of the world's greatest fairs, I understand. Do you have to be careful with the teeth at all, or no?
They throw about in papers. I got throw about in papers.
Very nice. Yes. Well, you better make sure that you are aware of spraying corn. Can I
Check that back. Oh, we got a little junk in the trunk. All right, I'm going to put that.
Well, here we are. It's been a long day of practice, guys. Would this fit into the nutritional regimen? The cotton candy and the candied apple.
There's got to be some type of carbohydrates or something in this, isn't there, Mike?
Oh, yeah, this is great after a workout. I think after a long, hard practice, pound some cotton candy.
Well, guys, thanks so much for doing this. What a great afternoon, and some parting favors to boot.
Yeah, it's a pretty profitable day here at the fair. A couple, 3 toys, cotton candy.
You did well today, Mike.
We did do well.
Yeah.
Did very well.
Thanks, gentlemen. Good luck this season.
Thank you.